Ọmọ ìyá mi, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò sí rẹpẹtẹ jàre. Mo ní àwọn kan tí wọ́n fẹ́ wá kọ́ èdè Yorùbá fún ipa tó fẹ́ kó inú eré kan ni. Wọ́n gbọ́ Yorùbá rárá o. Rárá wọ́n gbọ́ Yorùbá. Ṣùgbọ́n a máa gbìyànjú tiwa.
Okay, no, I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I'm in this class or whatever. Hello. Hello. Hi.
Yo, what's up, man? Oh, why you just left me? Like, what's going on? How you doing?
I'm not
What's
okay.
up,
Is this our teacher? This is the teacher, right?
What's this? Come on, where is this?
I don't understand. What's all this? I'm greeting somebody and then they
Where's the
just
chaperone?
ignore somebody.
Iwosi. See, the word Iwo is to draw out something, to pull out something, and Si is to a person. Iwosi in Yoruba means insult. So you are drawing out bad thing on me. If you say
I'm drawing out an insult.
Like, do you understand? Somebody that just tried to say hi to and you ignore
I'm
him.
from there.
Bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí olùkọ́ nìyẹn.
Come, where's the chaperone?
Ẹ jáde.
So
Get out!
Let's go. Oh, let's go.
Sorry.
Director, I don't have time for this. I'm not gonna come here, try and greet somebody and then disrespect.
Sweetheart, we have to play by his rules.
I don't understand.
No, we have to play by his rules. Excuse me, or there is no role for anyone. This is Olùkọ́ àgbà Ọlálékan Fábilọ́lá. Bámi.
Ọmọ ìyá mi, ṣàlàyé.
Ẹ wo, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ará wa mọ̀ pé àwọn bíi celebrity chochocho nìkan náà mọ̀.
Ibi náà ti wá máa pa
Guys,
fún mi.
we're not going to make this film if we do not learn some of these Yoruba words. It's
I
not going to
tried learn
happen.
Yoruba, but he's...
It's not going to happen.
Okay, I want to learn. We're gonna learn, right? We're gonna learn, but can we change?
Like, he has to go
Let's
now.
just
You
change
can't be
the
talking
teacher.
like, why?
And you can't disrespect
This
somebody
one,
like
just
this.
this one for me, please. Olùkọ́ mi, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá wa ṣó ti yé yín, wọ́n máa ṣe. Oya.
Papa Dudu, now your face at the look.
Let's do it.
Things. Karo Obuko.
Èmi ló búkọ́.
Olùkọ́.
Ṣé o mọ nǹkan tí òbúkọ túmọ̀ sí?
Ogo, Mr.
So you just called me an e-goat.
How is Obuko he-goat? How does that become he-goat now?
Tálẹ̀ mú wa bí wa kọ́ Yorùbá.
Olùkọ́, it's okay. It's ẹ káàárọ̀ olùkọ́. Oya, do it properly again.
Okay, yes.
I heard Obuko. Karo Oluko.
That's it. Now you
And
have
I'm
to.
supposed to
Yes,
say
you
that.
have to. No, you have to kneel.
Okay. Ekaro Oluko. Yeah? I got it.
That's
Let's
it now.
go. We're ready.
I don't.
Ẹ jókòó.
Where?
Let's sit here.
Ẹ jókòó síbi ilẹ̀.
We should sit on the floor.
Okay, he said no. So
Guys, I have to remind you, his rules or no rule.
As in, like, come on now, Mr. Niyi. Like, this is
he's so
somehow now.
disrespectful. I don't like this. I don't like this.
Now let's sit down. Olùkọ́ àgbà, ẹ ṣé gan.
Okay. We're here. Oluko.
Oluko.
Okay, Oluko.
So greeting in Yoruba is Ikini.
Ikini. You know,
But I bet you don't even know why you are here.
we have a role in a film, and we need to perfect our Yoruba.
That's why we're here.
That's why we're here. I'm still on this, you not greeting me back. That's just so highly disrespectful. But it's Baje.
Oh, Baje. And I will make sure you don't get this role. If you are not careful. Oda. Greeting. Ikini.
Ikini.
So to greet is ki. Ki. To kill.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Ikini.
Ikini.
We got it. Ikini.
To ki.
Ki Oluko. That is greet Oluko. Right?
Yes.
Ki Uzor.
Uzor. Like na. Uzor. I like Uzor.
Ki Uzor.
Yes.
Ki.
Osas.
Ki Osas.
Okay. Ki,
So
Uzor,
if
Ki,
you're saying
Osas.
I in Yoruba is mo, then want is fe.
Mo fe.
So how do you say I want?
Mo fe dami jo.
R&B boy. Don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me.
I'm going.
Ó dà pé wọn ò tí ì ṣetán.
ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tá a bá máa kọ́ wọn náà ẹ kàn jẹ́ ká sáré kọ́ wọn nǹkan tátàtà náà náà nídà tí kọ́ ká bá lè ṣe fún
nílò
àti kọ́ ká bá lè ṣeré sinimá gan ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ mọ́ lọ.
I want is mo fẹ́.
Mo fe.
Then how do you say I want to greet Osas?
Yeah, greet me. Mo fe.
Mo fẹ́ kí Osas.
You got it.
I want fast liner, man.
So I don't is me o.
Mio. Oh.
Me o.
Mio.
Me o.
Me.
O.
Oh.
O.
Me. Oh.
So how do you say I don't want?
What I want.
What do you want? What do you want? Sorry.
Ẹ jáde.
So no, sir. So sorry.
We're here.
No,
we're here.
because Mr.
Go on,
Niyi,
go on, go on.
no, because of the role. We are here. We are here.
So because of the role,
I
Yes.
want. Mo fẹ́.
Mo fe.
I don't want.
Me o.
Then
Me o.
Want.
Olùkọ́.
Mi o oluko. Ikini.
how do you say I don't want? If want is fair.
Okay. Me o fẹ́. Olùkọ́.
Oh, you just said you don't want me.
It's true. He wants me.
Mi ò fẹ́. But mo fẹ́ Osas. No, sir.
Ẹ ti ṣetán.
No.
Ẹ jáde.
Ejade. What's that mean? Ejade.
Go out. Not go out. Get out.
All this disrespect, I can't
Ṣé
continue.
èmi ni mò ń ṣe yẹn fún ẹ àbí? Èmi.
But we were practicing and you said we should say mi ò fẹ́.
What are you practicing? You are telling me you don't want me.
No, that's not.
I'm your teacher.
Yeah, but you said.
Get out!
Okay, no. You can't continue to be yelling at me.
No,
like
it's not
this.
like.
Uncle
But we
Niyi.
tried.
We definitely tried.
um,
We can't continue like this. We're going.
He said we should get out.
okay.
We were practicing. I
Come
said
along.
mi ò fẹ́ olùkọ́. What did I say bad? What's the
Ṣé
wrong
o ń
thing?
sọ fún mi pé òun ò fẹ́ mi?
Mi ò fẹ́. He said.
O fẹ́ kí n kọ́ ẹ olóòfẹ́ mi?
We first-
Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Can I see your officer, please?
Get out!
olùkọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí n
Mi ò
máa lọ
fẹ́
bá wọn
olùkọ́.
sọ̀rọ̀.
What's the bad thing that somebody said inside?
Ṣé o rò pé mi ò níṣẹ́ ni?